Yeah, I feel like it's small craft advisory. Yeah, it's definitely small craft advisory. It is gonna be a busy, windy day today. Lots of working, lots of leg work today. Good morning, guys. It is windy nonetheless. We got sustained winds into like 15 plus. Gusts are supposed to be up to 25, maybe see some 30s later. Yeah, jam-packed with action today, folks. We're gonna be running our little feet off. Wind's gonna be a problem here and there, but we got a push pole, we got an anchor, we got plenty of places to tuck in and hide. Water temp is 71.3 right now. Machine's still climbing lightly. It's gonna be a beautiful day other than the wind. I'm gonna tuck in a couple spots, try to add some numbers to the redfish count, maybe find some snook. Doubt we'll see any tarpon, but I have seen some in the last couple of weekends of being out here. Nothing really tremendous, just one or two. So thank you guys for watching. Give a like, a comment, and subscribe. Again, 250 subscribers. Once I hit that number, I'm going to do a giveaway. I got tons of baits and hooks and stuff I'm going to give away, so subscribe. That's the only way you can get it. Join my Instagram. The details for that's down at the bottom in the notes. But let's get kicking and get some fish. See you guys on the water. Got to watch a SpaceX launch last night, and look, I'm out here on the water watching another one go up. Kind of see it. The camera's not going to pick it up at all, but I was just talking to Yakking with the Fishes last night about wanting to launch early so we could launch one of the launches from SpaceX from Kayak, and here it is. The next morning I'm watching it. Pretty cool. Little trout. Kicking scrimp. Red dog jig heads. So the wind is definitely a factor because I'm like constantly running right now. But when you cast out, your lure goes straight, but your line does a curve in the air like a horseshoe. And if you're near trees, it's gonna blow into the trees, you know what I mean? So you gotta anticipate what your line's gonna do while your lure's still going towards where you want it to go somewhat. Well, the camera didn't want to work, so, but, ooh, come on. Calm down, buddy. Scrim pimp. Red dog jig heads. Nice little snook. See ya. Saw some rays. Threw on it. Oh, don't be all line wrapped. 955 slam scrimp pimp. Red dog jig heads. He was legit following the stingray like a little cruise missile. He launched right off of it. I couldn't get the camera to fire up quick enough. Nice little silver red, 2 dots. Let's see. Miss Sandra might have dinner again tonight. Put him up again. That is nice and silver. There's little color in that guy. It's because he's been chilling in the sand for so long. And this is 21-inch red. So this little silver guy is gonna come home. We'll go over to Miss Sandra's house. So. Shadows. We gotta slow down, bro. Gotta bump it. Ooh, baby. Came in and just inhaled this thing. Wise guy's tackle, baby. Red dog jig heads. Let's see how big it is. 27 1/4. So let's see what the regulations are on these things and maybe give it to oh boy out here. So, well, retying because I had to lose that hook. Did just have a bait. Oh, here it is. I'm gonna switch it up and we'll put this Falcon Lake craw on here, and Wise Guy's little Ned rig deal. Got to get some more of my red dog jig heads. Right now this is a trout eyes, and gonna chase some shadows. Oh, that was monstrous! Oh man, that thing was freaking huge. Well, it's 11:17. Wind is pretty aggressive. I've got my slam. I've played with some pretty big snook. I've seen a lot of reds. So instead of continuing to gamble with the wind and just being out here getting beat up by it, I'm probably gonna just scoot on in, fish my way back, see what I can find, maybe get one of those big snook that I've seen. Caught a decent one, jumped a monster. Pretty happy. Good day. Alright guys, well, we're back at the launch. We're all loaded up, about to head home. I didn't want to do the exit video out on the water because the wind was way too aggressive. I want to thank you guys again for watching, coming along on my adventures. But like, a comment, and a subscribe. Again, when I hit 250 subscribers, I'm going to do a giveaway. Also follow my Instagram. The details are down in the bottom. Got a lot of things going on my Instagram also. But thank you guys for watching. Got a couple of big snook. Lost a huge snook today. One red, found him cruising behind a stingray. A couple of trout, and that was it. Didn't want to push it too much because the wind, like I said, and you seen, the wind was pretty aggressive. No need to stay out there and risk flipping or anything like that, losing some gear. So I came in a couple of times on the way in. It was some pucker moments. You know what I'm talking about, pucker moments. So I'm gonna go home and get a hold of Miss Sandra and give her a nice little silver-sided redfish and let her have a nice dinner tonight, and then I'm gonna figure out what I'm gonna do, so other than edit this video. So thank you guys again for watching, and I'll see you guys in the water.